This is John with WTI, and if you have to define the word luxury and freshness in a fragrance, this Versace Pour Homme is a great definition. Is a representation of fresh, but at the same time, high level, great fragrance. So if you live in a hot weather or now that summer is coming, this is one of the best fragrances that you can rock this summer. So this one has some apple notes and fresh, salty notes, and it has something really cool. Most of the fresh fragrances, they don't last too much on my skin, but this one, I feel like it gives me hours and hours of projection. And although at first it could be a little bit tough with the lemon, when the dry down hits, it's just so much get better, and it makes you feel like you own a yacht or something like that. If you don't, even if you don't have to. This makes you feel like it's luxury, it's refined, and you feel so good because you're fresh and clean. And this is the type of fragrance that just everybody loves it. So this Versace Pour Homme is a great option. And this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.